tie game between the University of Batangas Brahmans and the Naga College Foundation Tigers ngayong umaga. Isang magandang bakbakan muli po ang ating mapapanood. Kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta.
Ngayon, nagbabalik ulit tayo sa loob ng Faith Colleges at live na live dito sa Tanawan, Batangas for our third match between the University of Batangas and the Naga College Foundation. So, sino ang makakakuha ng kampiyonato this morning? Yan ang aabangan natin at live na live po tayo sa GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
At ayan nga, Rick, napakaganda na mapapanood nating bakbakan. Yung magiging kalaban lang dito ng dalawang kupunan ay yung kanilang mga errors sa mga attacks and service. Kaya naman ngayong umagang to, titignan natin kung ano nga ba yung adjustment ng UB and NCF to get the championship this season.
Ayun, Tin, talagang alam natin kung paano maglaro itong dalawang kupunan. So, mati na matibay. At maya-maya sa aming pagbabalik, magsisimula ng ating first set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
We create value and improve the quality of life of our customers, employees, stakeholders, and the communities that we build. We are Team First Asia. Team First Asia is the corporate network started by First Asia Venture Capital in 1983. Over the years, we have created opportunities for progress and growth through education, aviation, electronics, innovation, hospitality, tourism, logistics, property development, and social progress. We nurture lasting relationships with our stakeholders that are built on integrity, trust, and the constant pursuit of excellence. We are guided by the values of competence, commitment, and consistency. We plan ahead and we are frugal. We work hard. We are socially aware and responsible. We are nation builders. We see a bright future where we work with you to educate, to innovate, to care, to connect, to build. We will continue to improve people's lives through our ventures and beyond. We are Team First Asia.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, Exceptional faculty and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
The battle for championship is now on between the University of Batangas Brahmins and Naga College Foundation Tigers. Now this will be an intense matchup. Sino yung may urge para makakuha ng championship ngayong araw na to? The UB Brahmins, the defending champion for our United Collegiate Championship League Girls Volleyball. And the first-timer, Naga College Foundation Tigers, napakagandang umpisa sa kanila dito sa Liga. Because a finals appearance para dito sa UCCL Girls Volleyball first-timers. Pero look at now, good performance yung ipinapakita nila dito. While on the other side, the UB Brahmins, a great floor defense, great players sa kanilang kupunan. Now, kung gustong makuha ng NCF Tigers, yung panalo ngayong umagang ito, errors, hindi dapat lumaki yung errors, hindi dapat lumaki yung kalamangan na hawak ng UB. And on the side of UB Brahmins, they need to be consistent now to defend their title.
And the first start. First set. Magsisimula na para dito sa ating do or die match. Now, Kutitob on the deck to serve. This time, an early service ace on the side of NCF. Now, for these both teams, kailangan kalimutan ng dalawang kupunan na ito yung mga nangyaring previous matches. Again, back to zero sila dito because ito na lang yung chance nila para mag-champion dito sa UCCL. So, matira matibay, gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina. And, grabe naman yung sagot dito ni Mendoza on the side of University of Batangas with that quick hit.
Now, Mendoza, grabe talaga yung pinapakitang performance dito. An efficient middle blocker. Now, Kutito sa sarap to Servidad, pampawi. Now, these two teams, andyan na. Yung determinasyon, kitang-kita na. This is their final. Wala nang balikan dito. Now, Danielle to serve. Kailangan bantayan ng NCF Tigers itong si Mendoza.
Service error on the side of Tigers. On their second encounter, itong NCF nagpaula ng napakaraming errors that Brahmans getting that second win. And nasweep nga dito ng University of Batangas tong NCF. So, let's see kung patuloy ba ang aarangkada dito ang University of Batangas or will the NCF College Tigers sasagot dito sa ating game number 3. Yan ang aabangan natin, ang Abitria to serve.
We're talking about the errors during the game number 2 of UB Brahmas at NCF Tigers. Mas lalo dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. But now we're seeing a lot of errors na naman po ang nagagawa dito. Nag-uumpisa pa lamang tayo. Pero errors on the side of NCF. Pero ganun din yung ginagawa dito sa side ng UB Brahmas. So katulad nga nung sinasabi natin, yung kalaban nila dito mismo is yung mga errors na nagagawa nila. So now let's see here, as Servidad to serve that ball.
Yes, tamang-tama ka dyan, Tin. Kasi alam naman natin na napakakagaling talaga nitong mga players na ito. But again, they need to lessen their errors. And now Rendal will try. Net violation on the side of NCF. Dima Felix to serve. Kutito to Rendal. Great defense this time. But Kutito, hindi dito na itaas yung second ball.
Now, a 1-point lead of UB Brahmans here. Now, Dima Felix.
Kutito to Rendal. And Rendal breaks down the wall. Let's see one more time on this replay. Kutito, perfect setup to Rendal. Yun ang mga gusto dito ni Rendal, yung medyo mataas na set.
Now Santos, Taron 5 para dito sa ating set number 1.
Saraspe, other hand set. Mantay sarado dito. Rendal one more time. Great defense this time. And andon si Abitria. Kutito to Abitria. Pipe attack. Too strong.
Now, medyo malalakas kasi yung atake dito ng NCF Tigers. So, kailangan siguraduhin nilang pasok yan. Less error para sa kanilang kupunan. Jersey number 6, Gabrinao, serving. Good save para dito sa UB. One more time. Rendal naman ngayon. Snatching that point. Napakagandang atake coming from Rendal. An intense and close matchup here. Now Rendal to serve.
Another service error. So Agantin, nasa first set pa lamang tayo, pero itong NCF and University of Batangas talaga napakarami ng nagawang errors. So again and again, they need to lessen their errors if they want to secure this first set. Dima Felix to Recinto. Soft touch by Abitria. Medyo na late doon si Recinto.
Now, hindi nagkakalayuan, hindi nag-iiwanan itong dalawang kupunan. NCF now 7-all. Kutitob to serve.
Zaraspe in the middle, and Mendoza again making an impact on the side of University of Batangas.
Point lead of UB.
Free ball, Kutitob, sino ang bibigyan? And miscommunication on the side of NCF. 2 points ang kalamangan dito on the side of UB.
Ngayon, ito na yun. Kapag kumuwala na yung UB Brahman, so doon sa close fight with NCF Tigers, nagsisimula na silang umarangkada. So the NCF Tigers needs to be careful now with their attacks and errors. Almost lost it.
Ball is still alive. Now, Kisha Abitria getting a point.
Grabe, nakakakaba yung ating finals game. 3 of the 2 teams. Napakagaling pareho. Magkakatalo na lang tayo sa errors dito. Now, Pipino to serve.
Nice serve. Lima Felix adjust. Kutitob to Abitria. Down the line, andon si Pesigan. One more time for Recinto. Breaking down the wall.
Now, that's the best player of the game yesterday. Recinto once again proving that the UB is ready to conquer and get this championship. Pero maaga-aga pa. This is set number 1 with a 2-point lead dito sa side ng UB. Mendoza. That point will go sa side ng NCF Tigers, stepping on the line here. Pero paunti-unti nag-i-improve si Mendoza doon sa kanyang mga service. So that's good point para sa kanya. Now, Abitria.
Zaraspe back set to Recinto. Soft touch now, Kutitob to Rendal. And Rendal getting a check. And this time, we are all tied up at 10 again. Expect the unexpected para sa dalawang kupunan. Kasi again, this is their last Eura para dito sa UCCL. So talagang ibibigay nila dito ang 100% nila.
Because during that game number 2, tatlong set agad yung nakuha dito ng UB Brahman. So grabe din yung pagbawi dito ng NCF Tigers. So now let's see if this will continue.
Recinto and great dig by Kisha Abitria. Servidad this time, andon si Zaraspe. De Chavez to Recinto. Rejection at the net. Ball still alive. One more time for Recinto. Servidad. Soft touch. And now De Chavez setting up Recinto. Andon si Abitria. Kutitob. Torendal. Down the line and catches that end line.
Ako, napakaganda ng mga rally na nire-release ngayon ng dalawang kupunan. So let's see if this will continue. Abitria to serve.
Another great serve. Dima Felix, andon si EQ. Kutitob, Torendal. Pero 4 touches ang itatawag dito on the side of NCF. Another deadlock of the match.
Grabe. Kapit na kapit yung puntos ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Now Recinto to serve. Now Recinto again to serve. Not an error with that jump serve. Again tied on 12. Now Nuay, bagong pasok dito.
Point will go on the side of NCF. Magandang bantay sa net nitong si Santos on the side of NCF. Now, Nuay to serve.
Now with that 1-point lead of NCF Tigers, kailangan dire-diretsuhin nila to for the UB Brahmans. But once more, do I have that service ace? Sila naman ngayon ang may hawak ng 2 puntos na kalamangan. Nuay to serve again.
Another heavy serve. Zaraspe gagawa ng paraan. Santos, bantay sarado dito. Cotito setting up Abitria at the back. Back set to Dima Felix. And this time, University of Batangas makakakuha ng side out.
Mahaba-habang finals na ating mapapanood ngayon. Dima Felix.
Free ball on the side of NCF. Cotito, Torrendal. And a lifting violation para kay Recinto. So back to 2-point lead on the side of NCF.
Now, 15-13. Santos serve. At dahil dyan, ito na yung pinakamalaking gap dito sa ating first set.
19. Napakaganda ngayon. Mga hard serves on the side of NCF. That's why nahihirapan mag-first ball dito. Itong University of Batangas. Santos one more time, but the Chavez and Pesigan will try one-hand dig. Rendal denied at the net. And Gabrina with that stare down.
Now Gabrina, 16-14.
And with that last hit coming from Mendoza, isang puntos na lamang dito ang hahabulin ng UB Brahmans.
Lalapit na muli itong UB.
Gabrinao setting up Pesigan, soft touch. Coverage was there. Abitria, pipe attack. Andon si Recinto. Zaraspe. And setting error on the side of University of Batangas.
Now the NCF Tigers needs to hold on to that 2-point lead. Rendal to serve.
One-two play. Andon si EQ. Abitria. Bantay sarado. Pesigan will try. Rendal on the up and now. Abitria to to the Chavez. And free ball on the side of NCF. Chance for them to add their lead here. Kisha Abitria.
(17-16) now. Jersey number 1 now to serve. Grabe yung pambawi dito ng NCF Tigers. 18-16. Now, Kutito to serve.
And this time, Recinto will get a point on that last play.
Very close set number 1 here. Now it's Zaraspe serving.
It doesn't cross the net. Crucial error para dito kay Mendoza.
19-17, 6 points away ang NCF Tigers on getting this first set. Pipino ready to serve. An error, very crucial error sa kanilang side. Now Enriquez papasok dito. 19-18.
Great day coming from Zaraspe. Lima Felix will adjust. Abitria on the other side of court, and doon sa Pesigan, Enriquez, Torrecinto. Nuay will attack. Great floor defense on the side of UB. EQ with a dap. Kisha soft touch, and doon si Zaraspe. The rally continues. Meanwhile, Abitria scoring on the side of NCF.
20-18. Now the NCF Tigers. What a long rally here between these two teams. Grabe, yung kanilang mga floor defense dito. Now Abitria to serve. No room for errors now. Speaking of error, another service error committed by Abitria, giving up a bonus point para dito sa UB Brahmans.
Jacinto to serve. And another crucial error then on the side of University of Batangas. And with that, mapapatawag dito ang kanilang kupunan ng timeout kasi ang NCF 4 points away on securing this set number 1. So again, napakadikit nitong ating first set between these two teams. So talagang kaabang-abang and hindi natin alam kung sino ang mananalo or makakakuha ng ating unang set.
Yes, and yung mga nagiging mali lang dito ng NCF and UB Brahmans doon sa kanilang mga errors sa service na kailangan nilang bawasan, most especially ngayon na napakalapit na nitong dalawang kupunan sa puntos ng isa't isa. So let's see after this timeout kung anong gagawin ng NCF Tigers para makuha itong set na to at ano naman ang gagawin ng UB Brahmans para humabol and snatch the set number 1.
Ayan, quick shoutout muna din sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Angel Atlao, Jericho Nazara, Kyle Otero, Andre James Casidsid, Marnella Berido, Dave Ganan, Raven, at kay John Robert Acerdano. Thank you so much and happy watching. Good serve. Kutito, back set to Abitria, and with the help of the net, Abitria getting a point on that last play.
(22-19) now. Nuay to serve again here. 3 puntos ng kalamangan ng NCF. Good serve again.
Kutito, one more time for Abitria. At the back! Wow! 2 straight points para dito kay Abitria. 23-19 on our scoreboard.
Dahil dyan, napatawag na nga ng timeout dito sa side ng UB Brahmans with that back-to-back points coming from NCF Tigers. Now, this is a 4-point lead at 2 puntos na lamang po ang kailangan gawin dito ng NCF Tigers to get the set number 1, to set the momentum for this game number 3. So, titignan natin ano pambawi ng UB Brahmans. And isa sa mga nakikita natin dito from the past games of these two teams, once na nakuha ng NCF Tigers yung kalamangan dito, the UB Brahmans medyo nahihirapan humabol. But now let's see, baka may pagbabago dito sa game plan ni Coach on the side of UB Brahmans. So let's just see kung anong maging adjustment dito sa kanilang kupunan para habulin pa yung 4 na puntos na kalamangan ng NCF Tigers.
And back to the ball game. Nuay to serve on the side of NCF. Another great serve. Zaraspe in the middle. Ball is still alive. Nuay to Abitria at the back. One more time and ball is still alive. Wow! The hustle though. Dima Felix denied at the net. Zaraspe in the middle. Andon si Santos, Kutitob. Kanino ibibigay. And Rendal making their team at the set point.
Set point. 1 puntos na lamang for NCF Tigers para makuha ang set number 1. Now Nuay on that service deck. Pero nahanapan ng butas dito ang NCF Tigers. 24-20. Pero isa na lang for NCF Tigers. UB Brahmans, Dima Felix to serve.
Kutito setting up Rendal. Andon si Di Chavez. And with that net violation, NCF getting the first set dito sa ating door-die matchup rather. At yan sa aming pagbabalik. Masasaksayan natin ang pangalawang set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
part of the matchup of University of Batangas Brahmans and Naga College Foundation Tigers. During our first set, it was a close and intense matchup between these two teams at nagtapos po yan 25-20. Pero bago makuha ng NCF Tigers yung panalo for that set, grabe yung pinagdaanan nila. Napakaganda nung ipinakitang performance nitong ating dalawang kupunan, most especially dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Compared to game number 2, this is very different from what they've played yesterday. Now let's see here as we are starting this set number 3, or set number 2 rather.
And this time, Keisha babawi on the side of NCF now. Deadlock. Kutito on the deck to serve on the side of NCF. Zaraspe to Mendoza, and Mendoza finding a spot doon sa NCF. Kutito on that coverage one more time, pero napalakas yung setup. So this time, great start on the side of University of Batangas.
Now Mendoza to serve. And that will be an error para dito kay Mendoza. A point lead galing dito sa UB Brahmans. Good start for their team. Pipino now to serve.
Recinto to serve on the side of UB Brahmans. Jump serve was good. And the point will go on the side of University of Batangas. This time, maganda yung simulang pinapakita dito on the side of their team. Recinto again to serve. But this time, too strong. Service error. Free ball ang ibibigay dito on the side of NCF. Kutitub setting up Santos. Zaraspe to Dima Felix with that cross-court hit. Andon si Abitria. Now Rendal with a soft touch. Almaria. EQ. Setting up Rendal. An attack error on the side of NCF.
Now, 3 puntos na agad yung nailabang dito ng UB Brahmans, and they are enjoying the set number 2. So now let's see kung patuloy itong pagpuntos na binibitawan ng UB Brahmans. Dima Felix to serve.
And this time, Nuway with that down the line hit, but Gabrinao as you can see on our screen, Hawak-hawak yung kanyang paa.
Now, Gabri now, one of the key players of UB Brahmans. Now, let's take
See
a look
one more
at it.
time on that replay kung ano nangyari. Bad landing on that last sequence para dito kay Gabrinao.
Let's see ano magiging adjustment dito ng UB Brahmans. Now, one of the key players, Gabri now, magpapahinga muna sa kanila. And she is crying. So we hope all is well for her.
Let's hope na maging maayos na dito itong si Gabrinao on the side of University of Batangas. Now, ano yung magiging adjustment dito on the side of University of Batangas? Because we know kung paano maglaro itong si Gabrinao, mapadepensa at opensa. Now, adjustment on the side of University of Batangas.
Nuay to serve. 2 puntos sinahabol ng NCF Tigers. Six, 4. Now Nuay to serve.
Now, NCF on the offense. Rendal denied at the net. Putitob to Abitri at the back. Andon si Dima Felix. Now, Zaraspe setting up Almaria. Rendal this time. The Chavez with that beautiful setup. A rather beautiful up, but unfortunately, net violation was called on the side of University of Batangas.
1 puntos na lamang dito ang hinahabol ng NCF Tigers. Nanduay again to serve.
And a service A is on the side of NCF.
Ang ganda ng mga service na pinapakawalan ngayon ni Nuay. So, hindi lang mag-error. And the NCF Tigers will continue this good momentum. 6-all na po tayo.
De Chavez setting up Almaria with that soft touch, and point will go on the side of University of Batangas. Take a look one more time for that instant replay. Smart move.
Jersey number 4. 7-6.
Rendal was dug up. Lima Felix. And now, University of Batangas giving up a free ball in the middle. A nice rejection para dito kay Mendoza. Zaraspe. A teammate. Ball still alive. Rendal this time. Great defense. Dima Felix was dug up. Abitria, pipe attack. Zaraspe setting up her teammate. The rally continues. Abitri at the back. Nice defense on the side of UB Brahmans, but unfortunately, an attack error.
Now, 7-all again. Just like set number 1. Intense matchup na naman po para sa set na ito. Very close one. Santos to serve. Pero an error, very crucial error at this point na talagang pantay yung ipinapakita dito ng UP and NCF Tigers. Now, let's see here. Almaria to serve.
Cutito, back set to Rendal, and no check.
And with that, 2 puntos muli ang nailamang dito ng UV Brahmans after that intense match. Now, Almaria. This time, an error. So, kailangan bawasan yung mga errors dito for both sides. And CF and UV Brahmans, you can see. Now, Rendal to serve.
One-two play was good para dito kay Zaraspe. Zaraspe to Dima Felix. And napaganda pa nga yung broken play on the side of NCF.
Then 9 now. Cutito.
Jaraspe to Dima Felix. And now Cutito naman, setting up Abitria, denied at the net. One more time for Abitria. Andon si Recinto. Recinto will try.
Walang kumuha doon sa last sequence ng NCF Tigers, giving an advantage para dito sa UB Brahmans. Now, Mendoza again. Now let's see. For her service. The Petria, kukunin ang puntos na yan. Isang puntos na kalamangan ng UB. Pero grabe din yung nilalaban dito ng NCF Tigers. Pepino now. A lot of errors for her sa service. But this time, it's a good one.
Zaraspe. Setting up. And wow. Jersey number 4. Rica Plaza on that last point conversion.
Now Recinto to serve. Too much power on that attack of Abitria, making it a 3-point lead sa side ng UB Brahmans. Jacinto again to serve.
Cutito to Nuay, and Nuay. Let's take a look one more time on that replay. Nuay, pinalusot yung bola sa dalawang blocker.
Abitria to serve.
De Chavez. You know, Dima Felix, masyadong lapit sa net. Almaria, soft touch was good.
Now, the UB Brahmans, nasa kanila pa rin yung kalamangan dito and a good momentum. Now, Dima Felix serving.
Rendal and De Chavez with a beautiful up. Almaria one more time. Cutito back set to Nuay. Soft touch De Chavez. And now in the middle, Rica Plaza. But A lifting violation on the side of University of Batangas.
Now, that point napunta sa side ng NCF Tigers. Nuay.
Almaria again! Kanina pa ito sa Almaria. Very smart on the side of University of Batangas. Not using so much force, but again, nasisibat niya dito yung mga walang tao on the side of NCF. But in the middle, Santos, babawi din.
Santos against Mendoza. Two very effective middle blockers here. 15-13. 2 puntos pa rin ang hinahabol dito ng NCF Tigers. Now Santos to serve.
Almaria, pero andun sa Abitria. Abitria at the back. Great dig. Zaraspe setting up Almeria on the other side. Andun ulit sa Abitria. Free ball. Too strong para dito kay Rendal.
(16-13) now, Almaria serving. Serve. Rendal, babawiin yung kanilang attack error niya. But still, that lead is on the side of UB Brahmans. Rendal to serve. Rendal again. Sunod-sunod yung pagpuntos dito ng NCF Tigers. But this time, an error committed by Rendal, a very crucial error. 17-16. Now Zaraspe. UB Brahmans, anong pambawi dito?
Jacinto will try andun si Nuay. Cutito back to Abitria. Makakakuha ng check. Itong si Abitria. Again, masyadong dikit ulit tayo dito on our second set. 17 all. Wow. Ganda talaga yung ina-expect natin dito na talagang magandang ipapakita nitong dalawang kupunana. Now, Cutito on deck to serve.
A service ace coming from Cutito. Taking that lead here now. Just like set number 1, a close matchup here. Then, biglang mag-change of momentum. Now let's see here if NCF Tigers will continue this.
Recinto, babawi.
At dahil dyan, mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang NCF Tigers. 19-18, a 1-point lead of UB Brahmans. Now let's take a look at it. The highlights for this second set. UB Brahmans giving us a good matchup here. Yung floor defense din na pinapakita ng University of Batangas. Well, on the other side, the attacks of NCF Tigers. Less than the errors here for both sides. Ang gagawin ng UB Brahmans para makuha naman itong second set for their team. At anong gagawin din naman ng NCF Tigers to get 2 straight sets. Now, 4-2 to serve.
Dima Felix was dug up. Rendal. And now EQ giving up a free ball. Recinto one more time.
Now they are 5 points away on getting the second set now. 4-2. Serve. And a crucial error para dito kay Fortu. 2019. Now, Pepino. She needs to make sure no errors. Good serve. Servidad to attack. Getting that point, tying the game. 20 all. Sa 2 pa lamang tayo. Pero grabe na talaga yung intensity nararamdaman natin. Pepino, once again to serve. No room for errors for both sides. And speaking of error, a very crucial one for Pepino. A bonus point yung ibibigay dito sa UB Brahmans. Now Recinto to serve.
Titub to Santos. Great connection this time. Tied up at 21 and a timeout was called on the side of University of Batangas.
Grabe na. 21 all. Para dito sa ating set number 2, the UB Brahmans, napakaganda ng pinapakitang floor defense dito. The connection of the players na talagang isa sa mga advantage nila. While on the other side, the NC attackers for their attacks. But then again, the errors was there. And at this point of time, na dapat wala lang errors, but still, they are committing a lot of errors. So let's see here, what will be the adjustment para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito? Will it be the NC of Tigers that will get 2 straight set, or the UB Brahmans will bounce back and we will have 1 set apiece? Abetria with that safe serve. Almaria. Servidad, one more. Timo Felix the attack through the blockers. One more time, tingnan natin dito sa replay as Tima Felix getting that point here. Now, she will be serving that ball 22-21. Ball is still alive here. Zaraspe sets it up. Block. One more time. Petrea was there. Now Rental. And again, bad luck. 22 all po tayo. Now Nuway. Checkseng para dito sa NC of Tigers. Nuway having a good performance on that service line. Now, let's see here.
Almaria was dug up. Abitria at the back. And on si Recinto. Zaraspe to Almaria. Soft touch again.
What a good point. Coming from UB Brahmans. A soft touch. Cutting that point. Now Mendoza babalik dito as the UB Brahmans have this advantage, 23-22 for our set 2. Well, let's see here. Down to attack. Free ball ibibigay dito. Santos, one more time. Tying that game. Parehong kupunan. Hindi pa rin bumibitaw dito. 23 all. Very intense one. So let's see kung sino ang unang makakakuha ng 25 points. Santos to serve. What to play? And the UB Brahmas gets that point. Set point na po sila ngayon dito. Nice game. And without the timeout, Coach Marley ngayon, ano magiging plano dito? Now that UP isa na lamang, or magkakaroon ba tayo ng extension for the set number 2? Let's see here, 24-23. What a great performance coming from UB. Now, the highlights here. Yung last sequence natin na Zaraspe with that 1-2 play.
The volleyball continues for these two teams. UB versus NCF, 24-23. Ang Brahmans, nasa set point na. Almaria, on deck to serve. Potitob, Torrendal, soft touch, chance for the UB here too. And this match, and University of Batangas getting the set number 2. Wow! One set apiece. We will be right back for our third set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Back for our third set here. One set apiece, and the set number 2 napunta po sa University of Batangas Brahmans, ending it with a very intense matchup, 25-23. Now let's see here for our set number 3 kung ano pa nga ba yung bakbakan na mapapanood natin. Now 1-2 play again coming from Zaraspe. Servidad denied. Gal to attack again. Zaraspe having that same attack. A 1-2 play, getting that first point here for our first set. NCF Tigers bumawi naman agad dito. It was a close set number 2. Ayun. Let's see here. Danielle to serve. Nakakuha dyan sa side ng NCF Tigers. Duwai to attack. Put it outside. The fans of UB Brahmans, parents, nandito po sa loob ng Faith Colleges. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood ng live dito. Soft touch para dito kay Betria.
Bitria to serve. Mendoza. Bantay sarado dito ni Santos. Deadlock at 3 para dito sa ating third set.
Betria to serve.
Recinto, andon si Nuway, and now Rendal breaks down the wall.
Yan, an early advantage for NCF Tigers here. But still, complacency. Bawal muna dito. Betria. Serve.
Good up. Nuway will attack. Andon si Almaria. Recinto. Siya naman ngayon ang makakakuha ng puntos, or rather Dima Felix. Let's take a look one more time sa ating replay. Dima Felix getting a point.
Now Recinto We're tied on 4-all.
Rendal babawi. What an exchange of points para sa dalawang kupunan. Rendal, with the help of the net, secures a point on their side.
Yanuway having a great performance now dito sa ating game 3. And an ace! The NCO Tigers, they need to continue this kind of game. Let's see it one more time here for Nuay. Ready to serve.
But this time, too much spice on that serve.
Dima Felix serving. Also an error. But what's good thing about UB Brahmans, they are enjoying their game here. At talagang bumabawi sila after an error. Now Santos.
Almaria this time. Off the blocket.
An error dito kay Mendoza. Magawa pa para dito sa ating set number 3.
A lot of errors on the side of University of Batangas. That's why they are behind by 2. Zaraspe will set up. Andon si EQ. Abitria, soft touch. Dima Felix, bantay sarado. And this time, Almaria getting a point. 1 point lead.
8-7. Let's see here. Almaria to serve. Tito sets it up for Abitria. Getting that point again. Good momentum para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Now Pipino. Now Cotito. Zaraspe, Torrecinto, soft touch. Bibigay dito kay Nuway, also soft touch. Malakas na atake coming from Recinto. Free ball ibibigay ng NCF. Recinto one more time. And Pipino snatched that. Take a look at it again. Tinapik lang dito ni Pipino. Now a 3-point lead of NCF Tigers. Cotito to serve. Jacinto to attack. And that was there. Abitria. Getting that point. Now the biggest gap of our third set. 4-point lead of NCF Tigers. Now Cotito. Now, a soft touch and a spot there para dito sa UB. Zaraspe. Denied. Free ball ibibigay ng NCF. Diba Felix? Long rally here. Dima Felix one more time. Too much power on that one para dito kay Nuay. At humahabol na muli itong UB Brahmans. Dahil dyan, napapatawag ng timeout ang NCF Tigers dahil kanina 4 na puntos yung nagawa nilang Kalamangan. But now, the UB Brahmans snatched that 2 points. Kaya 2 puntos na lamang ang Kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Now, here are some of the highlights of our early set number 3. So, what will be the adjustment dito sa dalawang koponan? Parehong koponan, meron na pong isang set. Kapag nakuha pa tong set number 3, a big advantage for their team. Now Zaraspe to serve. And Betria getting that point. Hindi pa tapos dito ang NCF Tigers. They need to maintain their lead here. Pepino to serve.
Zaraspe setting up Dima Felix. One more time for Dima Felix. Ball is still alive. Kutitob setting up Abitria. And Kisha Abitria one more time on the side of NCF. Tumatrabaho itong si Kapitana on the side of the Tigers.
Now Pepino to serve. 13-9. Back to 4-point lead. Jacinto with that soft touch.
Rica Plaza on deck to serve. Kutito back set to Abitria. Andon si Dima Felix. And Dima Felix. Rejection at the net by Abitria.
Solo block para dito kay Abitria. Now she will be serving. 14-10.
Rendal will give up a free ball. Zaraspe in her middle. Andon si Kutitob. Abitria. Pipe attack. Too strong.
Now Recinto to serve.
Chance ball para sa UB. But great dig para dito kay Abitria. Rendal An error. And with that, 2 puntos na lamang dito ang Kalamang hawak ng kanilang koponan.
14-12 now. Jacinto again to serve. But an error, very crucial one para dito sa UB Brahmans. Now, Nuay to serve.
Zaraspe to Almaria. Too much angle.
With that, the timeout. Tatawag dito sa side ng UB Brahmans. 16-12. Kaya pang habulin to ng UB. Seeing that kind of performance, talagang paunti-unti nila ditong kinukuha yung kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. But let's see kung ito bang NCF Tigers magpapatuloy yung magandang momentum na nasimula dito sa ating set 3. Now Nuway, 16-12. Almost an ace. And there's a check. So a big 5-point lead now of NCF Tigers. As we are seeing right now on the side of UB Brahmans, Cabri now babalik dito to add the fuel for this matchup. Maria, soft touch. Santos. One more time for Almaria. Ball is still alive here. Pero nahanapan dyan ang butas. Four touches. $17-14. Pilyado papasok dito. Naibaba na lamang sa 3 kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Dima Felix now. And now, a back-to-back points coming from UB Brahmans. 2 puntos na lamang. So let's see if they will continue this kind of momentum in a run. Dima Felix to serve. Santos babawi. Santos to serve. Ball still alive here. Maria, one more time for a soft touch. Straight through the net for Abitria, giving an opportunity for UB Brahmans here. The fans of UB Brahmans mas nag-iingay dito dahil malapit na. 2 puntos na lamang yung nahabol nila dito.
Pilyado will try. Zaraspe. Underhand set. Cotito, one more time for Pilyado. And Pilyado scores. And the celebration after that point para dito kay Pilyado.
19-16, 6 points away on getting the set number 3 for NCF Tigers. Pilyado to serve. No room for errors now. But that will be a very crucial error for NCF, giving an opportunity for UB Brahmans here. That point, pupunta sa NCF Tigers. With that, the timeout was called here sa side ng UB Brahmans because a 3-point gap yung nagawa dito ng NCF na kanina pa hinahabol actually ng UB Brahmans, but still a good matchup para dito sa dalawang kupunan. Now, a quick shout out lang tayo dito. Crimson Consulta, Eds Rublo, Raven, Thea Solis, Kevin Manja, at kay John Robert Aserdano. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now, babalik tayo dito for the continuation of our set number 3, 2017. 5 points away sa side ng NCF Tigers. Cotito to serve.
Zaraspe will set up and a great rejection at the net. Wow. Let's take a look one more time. Luay with that block.
Now, Cotito. Jacinto, straight through the net. Sunod-sunod na pagpuntos and an error sa side ng UB Brahmans. 22-17. Now, Cotito to serve again.
Zaraspe in the middle, and it was successful.
Zaraspe. Luay making sure that attack. 23-18. 2 points away. Let's see here. Pipino to serve.
Free ball on the side of NCF. Nuway will try. Soft touch and on si Di Chavez. Zaraspe, back set to Dima Felix. Too strong on the attack. And with that, set point will go on the side of NCF Tigers. Now medyo tahimik dito yung University of Batangas. Let's see kung anong gagawin nilang adjustment sa pagpasok ng ating 4th set. And on the other side of things, NCF, if they want to win this championship, kailangang tapusin na nila doon sa ating 4th set. And Santos, with that regalo, let's take a look one more time for that 3-play. Whoever receives, Santos will score. And that's the end of our 3rd set. We'll be right back for our fourth set only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety.
And we are back for our fourth set. NCF Tigers having 2 sets against UB Brahmans. Now let's see here, Zaraspe. Napakaganda nung naging third set natin dito in favor of NCF Tigers. So now let's see if they will continue to have a good momentum here. Speaking of good momentum, good start for NCF Tigers for first point. Now, good point para dito sa UB Brahmans. Nakitaan ng butos dyan yung Recinto. Now, Mendoza. Good service. Sarvidad. Denied. 2 straight points coming from the side of UB Brahmans. Nice improvement para dito kay Mendoza. Jacinto, free ball ibibigay dito. Now, Cotito up to Pipino. Nice connection there.
Pepino to serve. 2-all para dyan sa ating fourth set. Service error para kay Pepino.
Now, Jacinto, to serve.
Cotito back set sa Abitria.
Now, 3-all para dito sa ating set number 4. Abitria to serve.
Zaraspe to Almaria. Ball is still alive. Cotito setting up Abitria at the back. Nice reaction coming from De Chavez. And now Nuway with that soft touch. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Abitria straight to the net.
Now, with this good momentum sa side ng UB Brahman sa ating set number 4, tignan natin kung papahabain pa nila itong laban na to into set 5. Lima Felix.
Rendal. Too strong. So this time, University of Batangas getting their 2-point lead para dito sa ating fourth set.
What's good thing about the UB Brahmans is they're enjoying every point na nagagawa nila dito, making them comfortable. And also, they are fighting for a spot here. Nuway, soft touch, and an outside, and that will be a 3 straight points coming from UB Brahmans. What a change of momentum now. 3-point lead coming from the side of University of Batangas Brahmans. Now the NCO Tigers, nasaan na yung momentum ulit nila na nakita natin during set number 3. Kailangan na nila yan ngayon. Now after this timeout, let's see what will be the adjustment here. To the ball game. 3-point lead. Dito sa side ng UB Brahmans. They are still dominating this set. So let's see if patuloy lang itong momentum na to. Now Santos to Rendal, denied. And Santos just waited for that ball to go down. Biggest gap, 4 points. Now, team of Felix. Pabawi ni Santos.
Now Nuway to serve on the side of NCF. 4-7. 3-point lead ang hawak ng UB. And now 4-point lead. They want to extend. Meanwhile, NCF committing a lot of errors. They need to lessen their error if they want to win this set. Cotito to Rendal. And this time, Rendal babawi.
Eight-5. 3-point lead of UB. Santos to serve. Maria.
Zaraspe to Almaria. Andun si Abitria. Now Kutitob. To Rendal. One more time. Wow! Again! The Chavez but NCF making sure na sa kanila mapupunta ang puntos. Let's take a look one more time with that dolphin dive and Pepino. Bantay. Sarado ang net.
Santos. 8-6 now. Naiba na sa dalawang kalamangan ng UB Brahmans. They have an advantage.
Miscommunication between the players on the side of University of Batangas. And with this, NCF, isang puntos ang dapat trabahuhin to tie this matchup.
Ngayon, dalawang set na po ang nakuha ng NCF Tigers. So last set for them to win the championship for the first time as a first-timer dito sa UCCL. But let's see, lumalaban pa ang UB Brahmans.
Rendal. Free ball will be given on the side of NCF. Kutitob. Back to Rendal. Andon si Di Chavez. And now Zaraspe. 1-2 play. Zaraspe in the middle, but Mendoza touching the net.
And with that
Crucial error, team.
We are tied on 8-all. Let's see. Good run for NCF Tigers. But the UB Brahmans side, hindi papawat dito. Santos to serve. Walang bantay para kay Mendoza. And again, UB Brahmans, napakagandang momentum para sa kanila dito. Now Almaria to serve.
Zaraspe to Recinto. Rendal. Poor connection between the players on the side of UB Brahmans. Look at that. Nahirapan dito si Mendoza on that setup. Deadlock again. Rendal to serve.
9-all.
What a hit! One-hand set. Plus yung atake dito ni Mendoza. On that replay, kitang-kita. This time, bumawi naman itong dalawa.
El Zaraspe. Closed set number 4 here.
Kisha Abitria breaking the wall.
Ang ganda ng championship natin ngayon, Rick. Talagang walang bumibitaw. Kutitob.
Nice stop. Kutitob setting up. Abitria one more time. Andon si De Chavez. And this time, Recinto. Abitria. Recinto will try. And Recinto will score. Successful on that down the line hit.
Palitan na ng puntos para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Mendoza.
And Nuay forcing that one. Another close set para dito sa dalawang kupunan.
Now Pepino to serve. She needs to be careful with errors.
In the middle, Recinto babawi. Beautiful play.
Now Recinto to serve.
De Chavez setting up Almaria. Ball is still alive. Kutito setting up Nuway. Ball is still alive. Abitria using the hands of the blockers. Smart move para dito kay Abitria. Now, she's serving.
Now, deadlock on 12 all. Almost an ace. Soft touch.
Abitria at the back, De Chavez makes that one. And now Dima Felix. Montoy sarado dito, ball still alive. Almaria on the other side. Rejected at the net. One more time for her. And setting error on the side of NCF.
Ito yung mga errors na hindi na dapat nagagawa dito for both teams. Because we are now in a very crucial point of this matchup. See here. Having that 1-point lead of UB.
Nice dig. Almaria. Montoy sarado dito. 1-2 play. Back set to Nuway. And Nuway getting a point on that cross-court hit. 13 all.
Nuway to serve now. Very intense one. Let's see here.
Free ball will be given on the side of NCF. Rendal, andon si De Chavez. Zaraspe to Almaria. Nuway back row.
And UB gets that point. Every point is a celebration para dito sa side ng UB. Enjoying at the same time, giving us a good matchup. No. Gabriano to serve. Bawi dito ni Rendal.
Sharp cross-court hit para kay Rendal on that last play. Deadlock at 14. Nakakailang deadlock na tayo dito sa ating fourth set. And now, Santos to serve on the side of NCF. And a great service ace para dito kay Santos. Look at that. Biglang bumaba dito sa gitna ng court on the side of UB Brahmans. Now Santos one more time. De Chavez and now Almaria. Successful on that one. Free ball on the side of UB Brahmans Mendoza. Nabantayan dito ni Abitria. And this time, again, napakaganda dito ng floor defense ni De Chavez. One more time for her. Zaraspe in the middle. Ball still alive. We have a rally here. Abitria. And now, Almaria. Boy pa rin ang bola. Rendal down the line it. And doon si Recinto. And this time, Almaria. To Rendal. Again, De Chavez doing a great job on the side of UB. Zaraspe in the middle, andon si Nuway. What a long rally Rendal, and again De Chavez. And this time, Mendoza ending that long rally.
Grabe, itong ating set number 4. Mas pina-intense pa. Now let's see here. Almaria to serve.
Now Cotito, back set to Rendal. One more time in the middle. And Mendoza ngayon, buhay na buhay on the side of UB Brahmans. At mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang NCF Tigers because they are down by 1 point.
Grabe, palitan na ng mga puntos dito. 16-15 now. Parehong kupunan, gustong makakuha pa. Itong set number 4. So let's see kung anong gagawin nila dito. For the side of NCF Tigers, kailangan paigtingin nila yung kanilang floor defense. While on the side of UB Brahmans, they're still smiling, which is isa sa mga magagandang katangian ng University of Batangas para sa larong ito. So now as we continue the set number 4, let's see kung ano pa dito yung magiging adjustment ng NCF Tigers.
Almaria on deck to serve. Cotito, back set to Rendal. Andon si Dima Felix. Recinto with that error.
All. Gusto ko mawala dito.
Pababawian dito. Ball still alive. Rendal. Nagawa ng paraan. Jacinto. Babawi dito.
Nahanapan lagi ng butas dito. Itong NCF Tigers. They need to focus more on their floor defense. Now Zaraspe.
Jacinto getting that one. And Pepino winning the joust. $17 all. Cotito. With an error, costly error on the side of NCF.
Now Enriquez, the exchange of Mendoza. 18-17, a point lead of UB Brahmans.
Enriquez on deck to serve. Recinto this time off the block hit.
At ngayon, kumawala na nga itong UB Brahmans dyan sa palitan ng puntos ng dalawang kupunan with that 2-point lead. Let's see here if they will continue to convert a point here. Enriquez, an error, a very crucial one for UB. 19-18. Let's see here, Pepino on that service deck. Isa rin sa kanyang kailangang bantayan ng kanyang service.
Dima Felix will adjust. Abitria. Andon si Almaria. And now Dima Felix one more time. Denied at the net. And with that, We are all tied up at 19. Look at this. Santos and Abitria guarding the net on the side of NCF.
No Pipino. Parehong kupunan, 6 points away.
Dima Felix. Outside. At mapapatawag dito ng timeout itong University of Batangas because NCF is on the 20-point mark. 5 more points to win the championship this morning. Now, what would be the adjustment on the side of University of Batangas? Because they are down here, down by 1 point and down by 1 set now. Let's see kung kakapitan ito ng University of Batangas or will the NCF dominate this 5 more points to clinch this championship.
(19-20) with a point lead of NCF Tigers. Will they continue this great momentum here? Very crucial errors, bawal na dito. Recinto, ibabaw niyan. Tying the game, 20 all.
An attack para dito kay Recinto. And now, she's on the service line to serve. Tito to Santos, and Santos making an impact para dito sa NCF. Look at that.
Now, malapit na tayo. Very crucial error for Abitria. A bonus point. 21 all again. Deadlock. Now, Dima Felix to serve.
And Rendal. Wow. Look at this. Using the smaller blocker. Wow. NCF on the upper hand with 1 point. Nuway to serve. Poor first ball. So chance on the NCF here to get a point, but an error para dito sa NCF. Crucial error.
Now, here we are at this moment again. Deadlock on 22. Gabri now to serve. Less errors. Ito yung kailangan ng dalawang kupunan ngayon.
Nice dig. Now Dima Felix setting up Almaria. And getting a point. And this time, UB Brahmans with 1 point lead.
They are 2 points away on getting the set number 4, extending it up until the set number 5. But let's see if papayag ba ang NCF Tigers dito to end this with UB Brahmans getting the set number 4.
Nice dig again. Almaria will try. Rendal, soft touch, andon si Dima Felix. And now Almaria. Nice dug. And outside para dito kay Santos. And now, University of Batangas on set point. Wow, they want to have a fifth set here.
This is like the set number 2.
Yes.
A very close matchup. Now let's see here, Gabriel to serve, 24-22. Only 1 point para dito sa UB Brahmans.
Besigan with that. And this time, Almaria was dug. Rendal with an error, and we are going to 5th set. Don't go away because when we come back, magkakaroon na tayo ng 5th and deciding set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
And we are back para sa ating set number 5. Set 5, deciding set for this finals of University of Batangas Brahmans and Naga College Foundation Tigers. Umabot pa po tayo sa pinakahuling set, road to 15 for this matchup. Now let's see here, will it be the Naga College Foundation Tigers, the first-timers, that will get the championship, or the defending champion University of Batangas Brahmans that will go home with the win? Now let's see here, Mendoza, an early error, 4 touches. Nabigyan ng magandang momentum dito ang NCF Tigers with that first point. Cotito to serve. No room for errors now. 1-2 play. Zaraspe one more time doing that stunt. And still the NCF Tigers hahanapan ng butas dyan. We are 1-all. A good set number 5 now. Zaraspe to serve.
Zaraspe to Recinto. Nice dig. Nuway on the other side. Andun si De Chavez. Zaraspe to Dima Felix. Back set. Was good.
And now, let's see here. UB Brahmans back on their king play here. Zaraspe to serve. Servidad checking in para dito sa NCF Tigers. 2 puntos agad ang nakakuha na kalamangan ng UB Brahmans. Let's see here if this will continue.
Recinto. Down the line. Free ball para dito sa ating UB Brahmans. And Mendoza touching the net.
Now, NCF Tigers, Pepino. Just a point lead here, 3-2. Every ball is important for this team.
And we are rolled side up at 3. What a chase. Para dito sa ating NCF now. Great block coming from Santos.
Now, Pepino again to serve here.
Dima Felix. Too strong on that down the line attempt.
Having that 1-point lead here for the side of NCF Tigers. They need to take this chance to go on with this kind of game. Now Pepino to serve.
Cotito setting up Servidad. In the middle, wow, nice one-handed. One more time for Mendoza, and Mendoza will score.
Again, 4-all. Mendoza to serve.
And Santos din babawi. Wow. These two middle blockers, Santos and Mendoza. What a game for them.
Abitria to serve. A very crucial error. We're talking about errors, but still the NCF Tigers, hindi pa rin naiiwasan na magawa yan. They are giving free points sa kalaban and even UB Brahmans. Now Recinto, we are tied on 5-all.
Walang kumuha on that second ball on the side of Brahmans. Now NCF with 1 point. Lead. Atlao.
Nuay. Checking in para dito. Nuay to serve. A point lead here of NCF.
Good serve. And now, Almaria adjust on that set. Rendal. Scoring again on the side of NCF.
Kumawala na sila dito. 7-5. Both teams giving us a good performance now. And CF Nuay.
NCF on the offense, Rendal. And miscommunication between Zaraspe and Almaria. Crucial error on the side of UB. Now change ends. Let's see kung magiging consistent ba dito itong NCF or will the UB hahabulin itong 3 puntos na kalamangan. Yan ang aabangan natin because at this moment, we cannot conclude yet kung kanino mapupunta ang championship. So sit back and relax and just watch this beautiful matchup between these two teams.
And sa tingin ko yung mga fans ng UB and even ng CF, hindi na nakakalalax at this point dahil napakalapit na po natin dito. And hindi pa rin natin alam kung NCF ba o UB yung mag-uwi ng championship. (8-5). Nuay to serve.
Gabrenao hindi makakakuha dito ng check.
With that trick, mapapatawag ng timeout ang University of Batangas. Now, the NCF Tigers dapat nang gamitin itong 4 na puntos na kanilang kalamangan. Huwag nang pahubulin if they really want to get the win. But after this timeout, let's see if the University of Batangas, kung anong adjustment yung gagawin nila dito para habulin pa yan. Dahil, you know, the UB, napakagaling dito. And of course, kayang-kayang habulin yung kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. So, dapat hindi talaga magpakampante itong 2 kupunan na ito.
And a quick shout out on our live viewers. Shout out kay Raven, Jillian Magadia, Karen May Galido, Lawrence Solis, Angel Atlao, at kay Glyza May Baliesa. Thank you so much and happy watching. Now, Nuay to serve on the side of Naga College Foundation. Zaraspe setting up Almaria. And net touch.
Get an error para dito sa NCF Tigers. 9-6.
Kutitub setting up Rendal. Too strong on that attack, and this time 2 puntos na lamang ang hahabulin dito ng UB Brahmans to tie this matchup.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, napakadali lang sa UB Brahmans na habulin yung puntos ng NCF Tigers. But at the same time, ang dami pa rin errors na ginagawa ng NCF Tigers. Santos, soft touch.
Abitri at the back, andon si Pasigan. And this time, Gabrinao babawi. And this time, NCF naman ang tatawag ng timeout.
Ang ganda ng habol dito ng UB Brahmans, a 3 straight points yung nakuha nila dito. What a good run for University of Batangas. And now, the NCF Tigers, andun na naman sa kanilang same position. Errors after errors. So now let's see here. How will these both teams end the series. Again, this is the game number 3 of the finals. And set number 5, deciding set for Naga College Foundation Tigers and University of Batangas Brahmans. Dima Felix to serve with only 1 point lead of NCF Tigers.
Ball is still alive. Almaria catches that end line and we are all tied up at 9.
Grabe, the UB Brahmans giving us a good fight this morning. And with this, dikit na naman po yung laban natin. Pinahabol ng NCF Tigers. Nasa kanila sana yung magandang momentum dito.
Rendal return to the center and now UB ngayon ang may kalamangan ng 1 puntos. Wow!
What a change of momentum now. 5 straight points of UB Brahmans. What a run here. Dima Felix.
UB on the offense, Almaria. Wow! 2-point lead. Napakaganda ng ginagawa dito on the side of University of Batangas. .0 run on the side of University of Batangas.
What a good run para dito sa University of Batangas. Now let's see here as we continue. 6 na sunod-sunod na puntos. Dima Felix to serve.
And an error on the side of NCF. Wow! University of Batangas. Nung pagsisimula ng ating 5th set, they are behind. But right now, 3 more points to secure their championship dito sa UCCL. Ball is still alive. Almaria, soft touch. And another error. Again, errors. Yun ang kalaban dito on the side of NCF. And this time, a much needed side out on the side of NCF. Crucial error on the side of NCF. That means University of Batangas is now on the championship point. Cotito to Pelyado. And now, Ball is still alive. Nice hustle. Abitria at the back. And gets a point.
11-14. And the time out was called sa side ng University of Batangas. What a great hustle coming from their team. Now, isang puntos na lamang sa kanila. And they will get again the championship. Now, let's see here. A lot of errors committed sa side ng NCF Tigers. During the first points of set number 5, yung momentum nasa side ng NCF Tigers. But now, a good run for UB. Ready to defend their title as the champions of girls volleyball ngayong season 18 ng UCCL. Of errors dito sa NCF, sigurado na ang kampyonato ng UB Brahmans. But let's see here. Aspiliado to serve. No room for errors now.
Nice serve this time. And a free ball on the side of NCF. Chance for them to score. Abitria was blocked. Back to her. Zaraspe to Almaria. Andon si EQ. Abitria will score. Never say die on the side of NCF.
And the game is still alive here at dito po sa loob ng Faith Colleges. Grabe na yung intensity nararamdaman natin dito. 2 puntos pa yung kailangang habulin ng NCF. But at the same time, only 1 point for UB Brahmans to get the championship.
And with that last hit, University of Batangas wins the championship dito sa UCCL. 15-12 is our final score. Congratulations to University of Batangas and for the NCF for giving us a good fight. When we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Number 11.
Second member of the Mythical Six from Aga College Foundation, number 12, Jessica Santos. The third member of the Mythical Six from the University of Batangas, Batangas City, number 5, Stephanie Almaria. First member of the Mythical Six from Aga College Foundation, number 11, Keisha Alexa Abitia. And the 18th United Collegiate Championship League Most Valuable Player of the Season. She was named Player of the Game 5 times during the elimination round. From Naga College Foundation, number 11, Keisha Abitri. And for our first runner-up for Volleyball Girls Division, congratulations to Naga College Foundation Incorporated.
Lipat mo, kimailutan ako. Okay na yan, matang live.
And for our back-to-back champion, University of Batangas, Batangas City. Congratulations. to Coach J.R. Lognorio in recognition of his outstanding coaching, guiding his team to become the 18th United Collegiate Championship League champion for Volleyball Girls Division.